sun isn't just a big ball of fire, it's the heartbeat of Earth's life sciences. Welcome to Solar Earth Science, where we explore how solar energy powers biology, from microbes to migrations. On October 7th, 2025, with Solar Cycle 25 ramping up, we're unpacking how the sun's moods affect our world. Solar radiation is Earth's primary energy source, driving the energy budget that fuels weather, oceans, and climate. About 30% of incoming sunlight reflects back to space, while 70% warms the planet and powers photosynthesis, the base of all food chains. Without it, no green plants, no oxygen, no us. But the sun gets stormy. In Solar Cycle 25, peaking around 2025, sunspots signal flares and CMEs that hurl plasma toward Earth. These space weather events spark auroras and disrupt satellites. But they also influence biology. Geomagnetic storms can alter bird migrations and whale navigation, while radiation spikes stress ecosystems. Recent news. NASA's analysis shows sunspots and activity surging in 2025. With a strong flare on February 23rd, rising CO2 is even tweaking this. It cools the upper atmosphere, potentially intensifying space storms. Impacts on satellites and ionospheric chemistry that affects ozone and UV protection for life below. Heliophysics shines bright this year, with missions probing these sun-Earth ties. Biology adapts. Plants evolve UV defenses, and we're engineering solar-resilient crops. Understanding solar Earth science helps predict climate shifts and protect biodiversity in a solar flare-prone era. What's your solar fascination, auroras or alien worlds? Comment below. Subscribe for more Solar Earth science, and like if the sun powers your curiosity. Links in description.